Hey guys, you know that feeling when you walk into a room and you think, this color gets me? For 2026, I'm seeing a palette of colors that don't just fill space, they frame it. They don't disappear, they resonate. So here are 7 paint colors that will define 2026. And yes, I picked them long before they became trends. Let's walk through them. Number 1, warm taupe. This is where I'd start. Taupe does not get the credit it deserves. It sits between beige, brown, and gray, but the magic is in its undertones. Maybe a hint of red, maybe a whisper of violet. Look at something like Sherwin-Williams' Perfect Greige or Benjamin Moore Stone Hearth. In the right light, warm taupe brings depth without darkness. You might paint your living room or your dining space in it and think, it's light, but grounded. The walls don't shout, they hold everything else up. When you've got wood floors or rattan furniture or warm metals, warm taupe becomes the unsung hero. If you need a little more color inspiration, check out our palette pyramid service where we create custom color palettes for you based on your needs, your wants. Whether you need a 3-color palette, 6, or even more, we can accommodate you. And as part of the service, I even send you a personalized video explaining how the colors all work together. People love them. We're getting more and more demand. So while my workload is still manageable, check the link down below and secure your palette pyramid today. Number 2, Milky White. We love white, but the whites we're loving now are not stark. They're soft. They're milky white, something like Sherwin-Williams' Shoji White or Benjamin Moore's White Dove. These are whites that don't glare, they don't flatten a room, they melt into natural light. So your furniture and your decor shine. You got big windows, intense southern lighting. Milky White will keep things bright but emotionally calm. Number 3, shaded teal. This is one I get excited about. Shaded teal is just that elusive color that sits between blue and green with a touch of gray. It gives a room mood. It gives it personality, but it doesn't scream accent wall. Pick something like Sherwin-Williams Stillwater. In a home office or a small bedroom or even a hallway if you wanted to paint all the walls, this shade gives presence. And with natural wood and creamy off-white trim, it feels intentional. It's not about being bold for its own sake. It's about the color working so hard you almost forget it's there. Number 4, deep moss green. So a bit different than teal, this is a green that isn't a minty spring green. We're talking about a deep muted mossy green. Imagine Sherwin-Williams oak moss or Benjamin Moore's eucalyptus leaf. The kind of green that makes you feel like you just stepped off of a forest path. In rooms with plants or textured fabrics or even wood beams, deep moss green anchors everything. It makes a space feel rooted and calm. And because it's not bright, it doesn't feel trendy, it feels timeless. It's like bringing the outdoors in. I love it. Number 5, deep espresso. Let's talk brown. Yes, you heard me right. Brown kind of is the new black. And for 2026, one of the most talked about colors, of course, is Silhouette by Benjamin Moore, a rich espresso brown with charcoal undertones. The current reigning color of the year. Silhouette is like a perfectly tailored suit for your walls. It's sophisticated, moody, and what's brilliant is that it can act as a neutral. Your furniture, your art, your finishes, all can pop in front of it. It's not heavy, even though it has depth. You could use chocolate brown or Silhouette in a full room or on an accent wall or even cabinetry or trim paired with creams or off-whites with hardware that's warmer metals. That'll feel really nice and elevated. Number 6, natural clay. This one brings warmth and earth back to the palette. Think soft, muted terracotta, not like a bright sunset, but more so hand-thrown pottery kind of hues. Sherwin-Williams spiced cider comes to mind. When you've got wood floors, linen curtains, natural clay kind of talking with those textures, it feels really curated and it adds humanity to modern spaces. It's one of those colors that says, we live here, we breathe here, we gather here. Number 7, misted lavender gray. Finally, a wild card. Misted lavender gray. This is subtle, but it's also layered. Think Benjamin Moore's Slip or Sherwin-Williams' Sensitive Tint. It's off-white with a twist. In a bedroom or an ensuite, this color shifts with the light. Morning, cool and crisp. Afternoon, soft and warm. Evening, cozy and relaxed. If you've ever felt gray was too cold, this hue gives you the calm of gray with a whisper of color. Now, why does this all matter? Because these colors are more than what's trending. They reflect how we want to feel in our homes. Grounded, settled, intentional, color forward, but not flashy. The trick is test bake. Test in your light. Different walls, different times of the day. Look at how your fixtures, your furniture, your art all interacts. Because the right color doesn't just look good, it also feels good too. So if you've been painting safe or waiting for the right time, that time is now. Pick your shade, live with it, see how it evolves.